Hi children, this is Bean Ani and I have come with a new story for you. So today the story is about Jack and the beanstalk. Once upon a time there lived a boy, Jack, with his mother. They were very poor and hardly had anything to eat every day. They only had a cow at home which they could sell and get some money. So one day, Jack's mother asks him to take the cow and sell it off. Jack takes the cow and tries to sell it off. As he is going on his way, he meets a person, a big man. And that man, with his big hat on it, just look at this. This is a man, and there's the cow, and Jack is standing in between. So he asks him for the money. But the man says, I only have 5 magic beans with me, which I can give you. So he takes those beans and goes home. But what happens when his mother sees that? Look, when her mother sees the beans, she throws them out of the window. She says, we don't need these beans anymore. What are we going to do with these? So Jack is very disappointed and he goes off to sleep. Next day morning, when he gets up, he sees there's a big beanstalk next to his window. Have you ever seen a beanstalk? Let me show it to you. So here it is. It's a beanstalk and it's a long, long one going up and up to the cloud. So Jack says, I'm going to go up and see what is there up above the sky. So his mother refuses. She says, no, you're not going to go on this. But he does not listen and he climbs the stalk. You know how? Look at this. He starts climbing and climbing and climbing all the way up. And when he reaches up, there is a big, huge castle there. And there's a big door to the castle. He knocks at the door, and a giant woman comes out from the castle. She says, oh my God, how have you come here? She says, my husband is going to come in a short while, and he's a very big giant. If he sees you, he is definitely going to eat you up. So you better hide in a cupboard, and when my husband comes, I'll tell him there is nobody in the house. So according to the lady, whatever she says, Jack does the same. She hides Jack in the cupboard, and then the big giant man comes inside. He comes with a bag of money in his hand. He puts the money on the table and starts counting it. Jack is watching everything from the cupboard. So, while counting, he goes off to sleep. The giant goes off to sleep because he's tired, maybe. And Jack quietly comes out from the cupboard, takes out the bag of money, and comes back to the beanstalk and slides down to his house. So, next day morning again, he thinks of going to the giant's house because he finds it very easy to go on the stalk. And there again he's climbing up and up. Do you know what? The giant is so huge. Just look at him. Isn't he scary? Yes, it is. So he goes there and again hides behind the door, behind the cupboard. And when the giant comes, he has a big hen in his hand. It's a golden hen. And he keeps the hen on the table and it starts giving golden eggs. When Jack sees that, he's really amazed. He says, I'm definitely going to get this hen. And as the giant goes off to sleep, what does Jack do? He picks up the hen and brings it to his house. So gives it to his mother. Mother is very happy to see that, and she's very excited too. But then she says, "No more going on the beanstalk, Jack. Don't go tomorrow." And mother goes off to sleep. But then, third day again, Jack is not listening. He goes again to the castle and again he hides in the cupboard. Then there comes the giant, and today he had brought a harp with him. Do you know, children, what is a harp? Okay, let me show you. Harp is the one which has music in it. So, this is the harp. The giant has brought a harp, and as he keeps the harp on the table, it starts playing. And some beautiful music in the whole house. And Jack finds it very amusing. So, when the giant goes off to sleep, Jack picks up the harp and starts running down the beanstalk, coming down, down, and down. But today the giant had got up and he saw him running. He comes behind him and he tries to catch the same beanstalk, shouting, "Stop, thief, stop, thief." But then by the time the giant comes down, Jack has already reached the ground and his mother is standing there with an axe. She takes the axe and cuts the beanstalk. So, and the giant is up above at a very height, and as soon as she cuts it, he falls down and then he could never get up again. And Jack reaches his house, he gives that harp to his mother, and both of them are very happy, and then they are no more poor now. And what do? They enjoy the music, they enjoy the money, and they start living a very good life. So, that's a good one. You like it? I'm happy. Bye bye.